Hi, I am Arib. You are watching my YouTube channel. Sergi Transformer Protector. Sergi Transformer Protector is a French company founded in 1955. This initial purpose of the company was to find solution to extinguish transformer fire. After a few years of investigation, transformer is one among the most expensive equipment located in power plants' substation. They generally contain large quantity of combustible substance which can spray fire to nearby installations and can cause power failure, huge economic loss. Hence, special attention should be given to their protection. One of the advanced fire protection and explosion prevention system after water and CO2 spray system. If transformer is not working properly, flammable gases will be created inside oil tank. This will increase the internal pressure of the tank due to rise in tank temperature. Once fault signal detected by pressure sensor, the signal is sent to the control room. Based on pre-fed setting, as a first step, oil drain valve is opened and oil is drained into the pit within seconds to avoid explosion. Then nitrogen gas is injected into the transformer within 1 to 20 seconds and can be injected for 30 minutes continuously to stir and cool down the transformer. Oil nitrogen gas isolates air and reduces temperature at the same time. The first drain and stir system was invented as an alternative to the water extinguishing system. Exploded transformers are generally protected with different protections: firewalls and extinguishing system, electrical and mechanical protections such as differential, buckles relay, pressure relief valve, rapid pressure relay, circuit breaker. These protections, having all their respective purposes, cannot prevent transformer explosions after the occurrence of an insulation failure. Their respective designs are not adapted to act fast enough to prevent an explosion or damages when important fire occurs. Flexible ore and reinforced transformer tanks have their limitations. The transformer manufacturer of this design has accepted its limitation, being only able to get the tank rupture on the top of the transformer. Such design is limited to the transformer tank and is not designed for on-load tap changer and oil cable boxes. Traditional transformer protections have their limits, and a solution has been developed to prevent transformer explosion and fire. Fire water spray system. There are two types in fire water spray system: HVWS system, MVWS system. Water spray system are generally used for fire protection of flammable liquid and gas storage tanks, piping, pumping equipment, electrical equipment such as transformer, oil switches, rotating electrical machinery, etc. Such system is used in place where fire is likely to rapidly spread out of control within a short duration. Examples of such systems where these water spray systems for fire protection are required like transformer compressors, condensate storage tanks, LPG bullets and combustible fuels. These systems are not limited to put out active fires, but they are also intended to cool the tank and its contents to prevent tank rupture, explosion, BLEVE, and fire spread. Water spray fire sprinkler system are very similar to deluge fire sprinkler system in how the water flow is triggered. Types of water spray system: MVWS. Medium velocity water sprays system, HVWS. High velocity water sprays system. Advantages of water spray system: extinguishes fires quickly and prevents fires from spreading over a large area, minimizes the damage caused by fire and reduces downtimes, protects the future of your business. High flexibility in design and implementation, reduces fumes and binds contaminants, allows large open areas and thus a more flexible use of the premises. Uses water, A natural fire extinguishing agent that is available in unlimited quantities at a very low price. Entire area is flooded with water, hence very useful for firefighting in hazardous area, basement and storage tanks, etc. Disadvantages of water spray system: as entire system gets flooded with water, the water damage is more. This system needs thorough maintenance and periodic checking of automatic operation for reliability during fire. MVWS Medium Velocity Water Sprays System. Medium velocity water spray system are used in oil-based system having low flash points, flash point below 65 centigrade, and also for fire extinguishment of water miscible liquids, polar solvents, alcohols, etc. This system applies water in finely divided droplets at medium velocity. Example: the strength of the spray is weaker than HVWS system. MVWS systems are used to provide cooling and or control the burning in many large-scale industrial applications. As emulsification is not possible in this case, it cannot work in this type of fire. These systems can be used in combination with the other effective firefighting system. The specifically designed nozzles produce a cooling spray which has very high capacity to absorb the heat and protecting nearby structures from heat during a fire by providing a continuous cooling spray over the exposed surfaces. MVWS system applications: cable gallery and cable spreader room in the main plant area, ESP control room, switch yard room, ash handling plant area, coal handling plant area, water treatment plant area, fuel oil pump house, loading and unloading areas, all coal conveyor gallery in tunnels underground and above ground, coal transfer points and function towers, crusher house, emergency DG building, fuel oil storage tanks. How it works: quartzoid bulb sprinklers, QBS, detection is used for detection of fire which be connected to deluge valve for auto operation of the system. QB sprinklers shall be of 68 centigrade or 79 centigrade, any other temperature depending upon the ambient temperature of the location of the plant. For electronic automatic operation of the system, the deluge valve shall be provided with pressure sensors, temperature sensors and annunciation panel. Operation: in case of fire, the quartzoid bulb sprinkler shall burst due to heat, which allows water in the detection pipe to drain out and in process allow the deluge valve to open fully. As soon as the deluge valve opens, the water shall allow through the piping to flow water to all water spray nozzles mounted on the ceiling of the plant. The water shall be sprayed in solid conical spray pattern to cover entire area of the plant floor so that the equipment installed shall be kept cool to avoid heat radiation and further ignition of fire. The fire shall be controlled with the help of the water spray system. The indication of operation of the system shall be available on the control panel with alarming siren. High-velocity water spray system. High-velocity water spray system are installed to extinguish fires involving flammable medium-heavy oils with flash point of 65 centigrade or higher. Their principles of extinguishment are employed in the system: emulsification, cooling and smothering. The result of applying these principles is to extinguish the fire within a few seconds. This system operates using the specifically designed nozzles depending on the fire area, requirement of shape of spray cone and the water flow. The system has capacity to reach to the surface of burning oil penetrating the flame zone. This results into most important phenomenon called emulsification. Example: formation of the non-combustible emulsion layer of oil water on the surface of the burning oil. This emulsification along with the cooling, smothering effect extinguishes the fire. This system is mostly used for the protection of the following: transformer, oil-filled equipment of power station, turbo alternator lubes, oil system, oil-filled boiler room, oil quenching tanks, circuit breakers, diesel engines, fuel oil storage tanks. Important: clearance is the air distance between water spray equipment including piping nozzles and detectors and uninsulated live electrical components at other than ground potential. The minimum clearance is 900 mm under normal condition. During the operation of water spray system, they are intended for use as safe.